Today, I'm going to show you Google's new Jules coding agent that just got a massive upgrade. This thing now runs on Gemini 3 Pro and can handle multiple coding tasks at the same time. I'm talking bug fixes, feature builds, and tests all running in parallel while you sit back. This is honestly the biggest update to autonomous coding agents I've seen this year, and it's going to change how you build software. Let's dive in. So, if you don't know what Jules is, let me break it down real simple. Jules is Google's autonomous coding agent. It connects straight to your GitHub repos. You give it instructions, it does the work, that's it. But here's where it gets crazy. They just dropped a huge update, and this thing is now powered by Gemini 3 Pro. That's Google's newest and smartest model. And the difference is night and day. Before this update, Jules was good, but now it's got state of the art reasoning built right into the agent. That means it can follow complex instructions way better than before. It can plan out multi step tasks. And here's the kicker, it can do all of this in parallel. Let me explain what that actually means for you. Say you have three bugs you need to fix. Before you tell Jules to fix bug one, wait for it to finish, then bug two, then bug three, sequential, one at a time. Now you can tell Jules to fix all three bugs at once. It'll spin up concurrent tasks and handle them all at the same time. No more waiting around, no more babysitting the agent. It just works. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now, let me tell you why this matters for you and your business. If you're a developer, this is a no brainer. You can offload all the grunt work, bug fixes, dependency updates, writing tests. All of it goes to Jules. You focus on the big picture stuff, the architecture, the strategy, the stuff that actually moves the needle. But here's what most people miss. This isn't just for developers. If you run an agency like I do, you know how expensive dev time is. You can scale your dev operations without hiring more people. You can take on more projects, move faster, lower your overhead. And if you're not a coder at all, even better. You can now get high quality code written without learning to code yourself. You just need to know what you want. Jules handles the how. The pricing makes this even better. There's a free tier. 15 tasks a day is enough to get started and see what this thing can do. Once you're hooked, Pro is 100 tasks a day. Ultra is 300. All through Google AI Plants. Let me show you how this actually works. It's stupid simple. You go to Joules.google, sign in with your Google account, connect your GitHub, that's it. You're ready. Pick a repo, pick a branch. Then you write a prompt. Something like fix the login bug in module X, or add unit tests for the payment function, or update all dependencies to latest versions. Jules reads your prompt. It clones the repo, it makes a plan, it shows you the plan. You approve it, then it goes to work. It makes the changes, it opens a pull request, you review the diff, merge it if it looks good, done. And now, if you want to scale your business, you need to be in the AI Profit Boardroom. That's where I share everything I'm doing to scale my agency with AI automation. We're talking about saving hundreds of hours, getting more customers, not just play around with cool tools. I'll drop the link in the description. So, back at it. The whole process takes minutes, not hours, not days, minutes. And because it's running on Gemini 3 Pro now, the quality of the code is way better. The reasoning is sharper. The plans make more sense. It doesn't get confused by complex instructions like the old version did. Now, here's something super important. Your code stays private. Jules runs in a cloud VM, but your private code is not used to train the model. Google made that very clear. Privacy first. So if you're worried about leaking proprietary code, don't be. But let me give you some real talk. This is not a magic button. You still need to review what Jules does. Always check the plan before you approve it. Always review the diffs before you merge. Human in the loop is still critical. Think of Jules like a really smart junior dev. It can do a ton of work, but you still need to guide it. Make sure your repos have good test coverage. Use a solid branching strategy. Start with small scope tasks, bug fixes, dependency bumps, then scale up to bigger features once you trust it. And here's a pro tip. Use Jules for the stuff you hate doing. Nobody likes updating dependencies. Nobody likes writing tests for edge cases. Nobody likes fixing typos in documentation. Let Jules handle that. You do the interesting work. The rollout is happening right now. Ultra Plan users already have access to Gemini 3 Pro in Jules. Pro Plan is coming soon, and version 2.5 Pro is still available for everyone else. So you can start using this today if you're on Ultra, or wait a bit if you're on Pro. But here's what's coming next. Google's still improving Jules. The changelog shows they're pushing updates constantly, more features, better memory, better context handling. The Pro tier is about to get Gemini 3 Pro too. This is just the beginning. And if you zoom out, you can see where this is all going. We're moving toward agentic development workflows, multi agent systems, cross repo work, complex tool usage. Jules is just the start. In a year, this whole space is going to look completely different. So, my advice, get in early, experiment now, learn how to work with these agents because the developers who figure this out first are going to have a massive edge. They'll be 10 times more productive than everyone else. They'll be able to take on way more work and they'll be able to charge premium rates because they can deliver faster. Let me break down the plans one more time so it's crystal clear. Free tier, 15 tasks per day, 3 concurrent tasks. That's perfect for side projects and testing things out. Pro tier, 100 tasks per day, 15 concurrent tasks. This is where most serious developers will land. It's enough to handle real work without breaking the bank. Ultra tier, 300 tasks per day, 60 concurrent tasks. This is for teams and agencies. If you're shipping code every day and have a backlog of work, this is what you need. All of these plans come through Google AI. It's you're already in the ecosystem if you use any Google Dev tools. Now, let me talk about what this means for different types of businesses. If you're a solo developer or freelancer, Jules is a force multiplier. You can take on more clients, deliver faster, and spend less time on boring tasks. Instead of hiring 3 junior devs, you hire 1 senior dev and give them Jules, they'll get more done. You'll save on salary and overhead, and your code quality will probably be better because you have a senior reviewing everything. If you're a startup founder who's not technical, this is huge. You can build MVPs without hiring a full-time developer. You can iterate faster. You can test ideas without burning through cash. Jules becomes your technical co-founder. And if you're in SEO or marketing like me, you can finally build all those automation tools you've been putting off. Need a scraper? Jules can build it. Need a custom dashboard? Jules can build it. Need to integrate APIs? Jules can do that too. The barrier to building software just dropped massively, and that creates opportunities everywhere. Here's what I want you to do right now. Go to Joules.google, sign up, connect to repo, give it one small task, see what happens. You'll be shocked at how well it works. Start small. Maybe ask it to add comments to undocumented code, or fix a simple bug you've been ignoring, or write tests for a function, something low risk where you can see the quality without breaking anything important. Then, once you trust it, scale up, give it bigger tasks, more complex instructions, let it handle multiple things at once, watch how much time you get back, and make sure you're reviewing everything. This is key. Don't just merge, pull requests blindly. Actually look at the code, make sure it makes sense, make sure it follows your style guide, make sure it doesn't introduce new bugs. Jules is smart, but it's not perfect. The teams that win with this are the ones who treat it like a team member, not a magic solution. You still need process, you still need code review, you still need testing. Jules just makes all of that way faster. Look, the future of coding is here. It's not coming. It's already happening. Jules with Gemini 3 Pro is proof. Autonomous agents are going to change how we build software. The developers who adapt early will dominate. The ones who ignore this will get left behind. And now, if you want to scale your business, you need to be in the AI Profit Boardroom. That's where I share everything I'm doing to scale my agency with AI automation. We're talking about saving hundreds of hours, getting more customers, not just play around with cool tools. I'll drop the link in the description. So go try Jules. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI updates, and I'll see you in the next